Hello dear students, welcome back to our channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. We will continue our preparation. So 2 days there was no video because of some other extra works in my office etc. So no problem, let us continue. So which of the following types of thermostats is reliable to operate within the specified temperature range? It is, the answer is the wax type of thermostat. Others are wrong, bellow type and two stage. So the second one is the most appropriate answer. So let us mark it, the wax type thermostat. Next question, a coolant pump is necessary for dash circulation type of cooling, and flow of coolant is dash depend on the pump speed. So is it, so what are the blanks, or the what are the set of words to fill the blanks? So is it natural does not, or force does not, or force does, or natural does? So here your answer is C, that is forced and does. Yes, it depends upon the pump speed. So your answer is a coolant pipe is necessary for forced circulation type of cooling, and flow of coolant does depend on the pump speed. Your answer is C. Next question, in the coolant pump, flow of coolant is proportional to flow of coolant is proportional to engine speed raised to. So here is it engine speed raised to the power of 2, or engine speed square, or engine speed root of square root of engine speed, or 1 by engine speed. So what is the answer? Here it is directly proportional to the engine speed, that is engine speed raised to the power of 1. Your answer is B. Next, for making fans, the materials normally used, this is a good question. So the two types of materials which are used for making the fans are polypropylene and nylon. So your answer is C. Next question, boys. A shroud in connection with water cooling systems of automobiles is used with the, so which element or which part of the cooling system, the shroud is used? Is it fan, or engine, or pump, or thermostat? It is the fan. It is with respect to the fan that we are going to use a shroud. Yes, so the answer is A. Next question, the transmission in automobiles means the transfer of. So so today we are what we are seeing, actually we are seeing the types of coolant systems, and also certain parameters related to cooling system, and we are analyzing the coolant system or cooling system in automobiles, and also we are doing some bits on the transmission in automobiles. Right, so this question related to the transmission. The transmission in automobiles means the transfer of, is it the torque, or speed, or load, or momentum? So all these words are confusing if you have not read, but of course many people know that it is the torque which is very important in the case of transmission of power. So the transmission in automobiles means the transfer of torque, neither the speed, nor load, nor momentum. The resistance due to gradient and tire friction in automobiles is proportional to the speed raised to the power of. So here it is, your answer is constant. It is constant with the speed. Your answer is D. So constant means 0. So your answer is D. Next question, the resistance due to wind in automobiles is proportional to speed raised to. This is a good question, boys. So normally speed is a very important parameter in case of vehicle, right? So it is it proportional to or is it constant with the speed, or independent of speed, or inversely proportional to the speed, or is it none of these? The answer here is the resistance due to wind in automobiles is none. None is connected with the resistance of the wind in the given options. So your answer is D. Next question, boys. At the start, the acceleration needed to gain speed quickly is. So in case of automobiles, or is it at the start the acceleration needed to gain speed is it more quickly? Is it more or less, or 0, or none of these? It is actually more. You can easily see for yourself. Right. So in the sliding mesh, this is related to your transmission. In the sliding mesh type of gearbox, the power from clutch shaft goes to the, so which element the power from clutch shaft goes to? It is the clutch gear. It is the clutch gear is the answer. Okay, boys. So please go through my channel Mechanical Engineering Made Simple. I have made number of videos. Okay, please go through them. So definitely the notifications are going to come. So probably within another few days, whether it is AP or your Telangana. In AP, the calendar is going to come from your Ugadi. So we can expect the notification. There is no need for any worry. So if you are not started the preparation, start. Okay, so I have made number of bits. So please watch my channel, and I have made approximately 80 videos are there. So watch through. So please browse through the playlist. You can get number of videos. So approximately we are reaching 1000 questions. So please practice them and get good command over the subject. And one more thing, those of you who want the material for this, that means okay 1000 questions with answers, so please mail me. My mail id is sridhar.bpelli@gmail.com. so it is in the last stages. Once the 1000 questions are completed, so I am preparing the solutions also. So 1000 questions with answers is ready for you to buy or purchase. Okay boys, so you can put a mail to me. So those who are in need of your this 1000 questions and with solutions, so I will immediately respond. I will give my contact number, so you can contact me. So definitely we can proceed like that. So so if you go through my playlist, you can get number of videos. Some are for your gate examination, and some are for your AE municipalities. Okay, so please go through them and improve your subject. Again, wish you all the best. If you have not subscribed my channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and also share among your groups and contacts. If you feel that definitely these bits are helping you to improve your subject or gain knowledge and get command out of the subject, or even start from the fundamentals, or even for revision of your entire subject. Okay guys, please do this please do this simple favor, and wish you all the best. Once again, good luck.